Boo-ba-doo. So Miss Andrea and I are having a lot of fun here blending words with blends and digraphs and welds. And we are going to talk about ing. So we don't say ing, we say ing. We say it all together, and that's what makes it a weld. So our first word is ing. Bling. Miss Andrea has a ring that is bling. It's fake. Don't worry, people. Bling. Ing, sting. The bee is ready to sting the girl. Sting. Ing, ring. There it is again. Ring. I put it on my finger. Ring is a multiple meaning word though. Ing, swing. I want to swing this afternoon before it rains. Ing, bring. Please bring me the marker. Bring.